Now, the second thing in this chapter, electrostatic, we are going to study about electrostatic charging. So, there are three ways by which we can charge bodies. The first one is charging by friction. The second is charging by conduction or contact. And the third one is charging by induction. So, first is charging by friction, means rubbing of the two objects. When the two bodies are rubbed together, they acquire charges. So, in this process, one object loses electron. So, this body is called, that lose electron is called positively charged body, while the another body gain electron, and this body is called negatively charged body. So, in this process of charging by friction, the transfer of charge takes place from one body to another body. The second method is charging by conduction or contact. So, when two bodies are kept in contact, when one charged body is kept in contact with another uncharged body, charge is flow from one body to another body and the bodies are charged. So, this is the charging by conduction. So, conduction means flow of charge. It is the flow of charge during the short period of the time the electrons are transferred. So, the example, as I have already studied in electroscope. So, in electroscope is an example of charging by conduction, in which the charge flows from the knob of the rod to gold leaves. The third one is the very important, is charging by induction. When the two bodies are at certain distance, the charging of the body by another body which are kept at some distance. So, charging of conductors without contact. इसमें जो charging हो रही है without contact. Let us try to understand with some example. Here is a metallic ball B kept on insulating stand. Now, a negatively charged rod is placed near this body. So, due to this negatively charged rod, there the redistribution of the charges takes place. The positive charge accumulate near to the rod and the negative charge at the farther end. So, the right hand becomes negative charge and left hand becomes positive charge. Now, in the third step, this negatively charged end is earthed. So, earthing is here. So, the negative charge flow to the earth and the body have only positive charge accumulated at their left hand. Now, in the last step, this rod, negatively charged rod is removed. So, this charge which was initially at the right hand now distributed uniformly, and in this way this uncharged body B becomes positively charged. So, this is the method of charging by induction. Now, we come to the point, properties of electric charges. So, like mass, charge like mass is a fundamental and intrinsic property of matter. Charges mainly are of two types, positive charge and negative charge. Unlike charge attract each other, while like charge repel each other. The force between charges varies as the inverse square of their separation. And the very important thing is electric charge is always conserved, which we discuss in detail later on. Next is electric charge is quantized, that will also be discussed. Electric charge is additive in nature, that is total charge is the sum of the algebraic sum of the individual charges, and the electric charge is invariant as it does not depend upon the motion of the charged body or the observer. That means if the body is at rest or the body is in motion, the charge will remain same. So, in detail, now we come to this conservation of charge. Conservation of charge, the net charge of an isolated system remain constant, though it may transfer itself from one body to another of the system. The important observation regarding this law, the net charge remain constant even though it may not be zero. And the last one, that is the quantization of charge. The quantization of charge means this is an important, quantization is another important property of charge. The minimum amount of charge which is capable of free existence is that carried by electron, and it is called elementary charge. So the elementary charge is E, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. According to this quantization of charge, the charge on the body will be the integral multiple of elementary charge. So Q equal to Ne. So charge will be Ne. N here is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. So charge have discrete values, E, 2E, 3E, like this. Charge will not be like 1.5E, 1.2E like this. So this is the quantization of the charge. So these are the important properties of